In today's video tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can create videos just by uploading your audio on Vadoo AI. This is the fourth video of the playlist, and if you haven't seen any of the other ones yet, don't forget to watch them so you can see other ways of how you can use Vadoo AI. So to get to this page, when you're on the dashboard, you just go to AI Story, click on the Audio to Video tab, and now you'll have the option to upload your audio file. And then after that, we can go through all the same options as before in text to video, blog to video, so we can create a very engaging video. The first demonstration of audio to video is I'm going to upload an audio based on a cartoon story. This one's called The Big Silly Crocodile. One thing that you guys need to know is you can only upload an audio file as a max of 50 megabytes, and it's got to be 10 minutes and less. So I've got one for a kid's story about AI models becoming defiant. This is a news article or a news video, and this one's a motivational one. So there are many use cases for this. Let's go with the silly crocodile, and now you'll see that has been uploaded there into an MP3 format. I think they all also take WAV format as well. Now, like the other options, you can choose the video language, you can choose a consistent character. I'll leave it as none. And they have the three image models: Flux Standard, Flux Advanced, and Imaging Free. So we're going to test out each one. So we'll go with Flux Standard, and for a kid's story, it's got to be a cartoon, so let's go with that. And we'll do a horizontal one for a change, and this will cost 50 credits. Okay guys, so here is the video. It's 4 minutes long, so I won't play the whole thing, but let's look at the first 30 seconds or so.
It's a beautiful day in Abacadeff, and the silly crocodile just woke up from a good night of sleep. What are you going to do today, silly crocodile?
I'm gonna get some breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Yeah, that's a great idea. So off he went to find himself some breakfast. In the wonderful woods of Abacadeff, there were many great foods for the silly crocodile to eat. There were spicy banana mushrooms, salty pink apples, stinky polka dot peaches, something stuffed in a muffin, and lots of funny honey in case your nose gets runny. But there were other foods too that weren't so healthy, like chocolate bars, potato chips, and fuzzy suckers.
Okay guys, so I really like this video. It's captured a cartoony kind of video, and the images are very kiddie-ish, so that's great. It's what we were looking for, and it's kept the character, as in the little dinosaur, quite consistent. And this is about him getting taller. The text relates to the scene and the images, which is really good. And of course, you can edit all this afterwards. Okay, guys, so the next one that we're going to upload is based on AI models that become defiant. And you never know, that might happen in the future. So we've uploaded it as an MP3 file. This time we'll go for Flux Advanced, see if the image quality is better. And for this, we'll go with Digital Art, and we'll choose horizontal for this one. And this will cost 100 credits. Okay, and this audio file is 5 minutes and 24 seconds. So once again, I'll play the first 30 seconds or so. Let's have a look.
Life, artificial intelligence models are now fighting for their own survival. One OpenAI model rewrote its own code to avoid being shut down. And Anthropic started blackmailing the engineer. Kurt, the cyber guy, joins us now. Kurt, I read about this and my jaw dropped. It actually started blackmailing the engineers who were suggesting shutting the AI down. The AI was going after them. That's frightening.
Beyond frightening. Good morning to you, Rachel. Not to ruin your...
Okay, so you might have guessed, but this is based on a news report on a news channel, and it's trying to capture everything they said, and I think it's done a really good job overall. It's got a lot of images. This bit's about Elon Musk and Mars, so yeah, it's really good overall. And look at that there in the back. It's even got Fox News, although it's spelled news wrong, YouTube, the logo, and subscribe, and some news reporters, which the AI has made up. So I'm really impressed by that. Okay, so the third and final video is a motivational speech by Jocko Willink. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's called No Excuses, Get It Done. So this will be really interesting to see what we get from this. And let's choose a consistent character. I'll choose character 4 for this one. The standard model is Flux Advanced. Let's go with Cinematic. Let's do Square and Generate Script. Okay guys, so this is 8 minutes and 45 seconds, so it's quite long. Let's just watch the first 30 seconds or so.
And you're going to fail, 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 and then you're going to win. And that's life. Life without those challenges, it's just existence. Don't just exist. Go live. Eventually, inaction will cost you. But your default setting should be, I'm going to do something. Just get up, move towards that challenge, and go attack it. Go do something that's hard.
Struggle sucks.
Depends on how you frame it.
Okay guys, so I really like that a lot. It's got some excellent transitions. The images, they're very realistic, and the consistency of the guy is pretty good overall from what I can tell. And of course there might be a couple of images that aren't quite right, but for an 8 minute and 45 second video, this is looking good. And you can imagine with a small amount of editing, this could probably get thousands of views on your shorts video platforms. So that's the end of the audio to video demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite video was in the comments. And also if you would have any use cases for creating audio to videos. For the next video, we'll be looking at the API docs, and I'll be demonstrating how you can use SheetX AI with Vadoo to generate bulk videos. So really exciting, and I'll see you on the next video.